You don't know, love marriage is not a marriage. This is only attraction of the woman. This is not marriage. This is not marriage. Everybody is saying, listen, sir, listen, we are not देखो, dowry system is not about the dowry he give, okay? So dowry system is a gift for his daughter. Dowry system जो दहेज होता है, जो दहेज अगर सुना तो
Thank you so much for clicking this video. Again, we have come back with an amazing topic that is concerning the society, because we know that this is our life and we can choose our partner. Sometime what happens, our parents they choose. So sometime our parents they choose our partner. So due to that, people are not happy in their life. So that is why these people are supporting that we should choose our partner from our side, right? What do you think? So we should choose our partner. Yes, absolutely right. They are thinking that this is our life, right? We have to live our life till the last breath, until we die. So that's why they are thinking that love marriage is best option for living life forever, ever. So that is why. But these people are living in another world, living with parents' life, in ancestors' life. Arranged marriage is good because these people are supporting this. Ki our parents they got arranged marriage, we should also follow the same path. Right, so that is why these people are supporting arranged marriage is good for long time, it's long lasting. They have example, they have their own perspective. The purpose of debate we are going to have, this is for awareness and absolutely for communication skill to enhance. So I'm not going to share my opinion. First of all, let me know this, who will be initiator from this team, who will start first? So first of all, Mr. Muhammad Faraz saying this, he will start first. And from this team, who will speak first? Mujir, right? A person, because this is our rule. जो दूसरे का नाम बताता है, हम उसका नाम पहले लिख लेते हैं. So do not tell anyone. So first of all, clap for Mr. Muhammad Faraz. Right. And the captain of this team, clap for Mr. Mujira. Right. And listen, where is my diary? So listen the disclaimer. Chetawni. The Chetawni is that is like this ki one person is speaking from this team, everyone can ask a question. आप सभी लोग question कर सकते हो, right? वो आंसर देगा. अगर वो आंसर नहीं दे पाता है तो अपने टीम मेंबर को माइक पास कर देगा, he will give answer, right? ठीक है? So first of all, let's have the opinion from this team. First, these people are supporting arranged marriage is good. So why they are supporting? Let's have opinion first of all, right?
Good afternoon, my dear panelists. Today's debate, the debate is love marriage versus arranged marriage. So I am supporting arranged marriage, and the perspective is that love marriage is also good. But if you will say my point of view, the first priority is arranged marriage. So I want to say that here to start a debate. Firstly, I want to say that a man who loves that woman he marries, but a happier man's marries that person her marriage love. So my first opinion is that if you will arrange marriage, there is a family if you will do arranged marriage, you have family support, society support, relation support.
Yes.
But if not, but if you will do love marriage, you don't have a single support of the society, a single support of the family. So my perspective that if you want to marry, so you should do arranged marriage.
Yes.
And my second opinion is that long lasting time. So many people do love marriage after 1 year, after 6 months. They separate in a home. His wife said that I don't want to leave your father, mother. I don't want to leave your sister. This is a reason of love marriage. So I am saying that don't love marriage. You should do arranged marriage. And my last opinion is that, listen very carefully. Last opinion is that don't skip your parents' thought and don't skip your parents' dream, because parents you born so they have also dreams to marriage and family also. मतलब अच्छा लाएंगे. They will choose the best partner in your life. So you should do, if you will support my team, you should do arranged marriage. Thank you so much for listening.
Good afternoon. So, first of all, you say one point only right. Your parents happy, but you are say everything wrong, because you are living in past time. If you marry a known partner, then how can you trust him? You are married unknown partner. You don't know what is choice. What choice he is like this. If you don't know, and if you don't know what's your partner's choice, good is not good, if your partner like you or not like, then how can you marry in arranged marriage? If you are love marriage, listen carefully. If you are love marriage, then you know that each other, you support them, and you are success, and you are become a you never forget your partner, and you never if you are a love marriage, then you are go to fully supported partner, and you are know each other. Thank you.
Stand up, please.
Yes, of course.
Have you completed all the things?
Yes.
Can I speak?
Yes, of course.
You are saying that you get the success. You know Mahatma Gandhi? You know?
Yes, I know.
He is doing arranged marriage. Why he is a famous person? You know what the name of? Listen firstly, sir. You know APJ Abdul Kalam unmarried.
Yes,
I know.
I know.
But he said that if you want to marry, so you should arrange marriage. Why you are in love marriage, sir? Listen, sir.
Yes, that is the thing he's talking about. This is modern life.
I am saying also,
Living in modern
I am
life.
encounter his question. I will encounter, and also he said that you are living in ancestor in past time. Think about yourself. If your mother is born to you, why he will decide wrong people? Firstly, listen, sir. And if you want to get success, so many people are success. Modi ji is success. There is no single wife, love and arrange. Why is success?
Because he was
Listen, success is not based to marriage and love marriage and arranged marriage. And you are saying that I am living in past time. I am living in past time. But you are living in modern time. It is good. You, before marriage, you go in a park, in a mall, you are talking to each other. Can you see your father? मतलब मुंह उठाने के लायक?
He is no there to show the
He is not there to stay his face in a society. In so many times, in love marriage, girls elope in a house. This is the power of love marriage you are talking about.
Listen.
This is the love
How can
marriage.
you say that?
How can you say it?
Then,
This is reality
listen.
in past time. How can you say
You
that?
yes, say that. Bro, say that. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
हमने तो यही कह दिया.
Say that.
Why not? We don't have right for choose our partner. When you don't know how he is, like nowadays parents, they see only money. They will not see your life, because when they will die, after that you have to झेलना है वो सब. How he is, like he is drinking wine. So what can you do about that? Because your parents and gone, they have gone, and after that you have to.
Relax, I will tell you. You are saying that your partner is drinking wine. You don't know love marriage is not a marriage. This is only attraction. Attraction of the woman. This is not marriage. This is not marriage. Everybody is saying, Listen, sir, listen. Listen, sir. If you don't have money, love will not come you. If you are, firstly listen. जब गरीबी दरवाजे से आती है तो प्यार मोहब्बत पहले निकल जाता है. Listen, sir. Understand? So you are lose. Two people are lose.
Yes, sir, I have question.
Stand up.
If your love is true, if your love life is true, if your partner is truly love you.
Since she is talking about most of the girls and boys that think that this is love, but this is only attraction.
This is the attraction, sir.
This is
Not everyone.
Who are going to study, sir?
I have studied.
खूबसूरत चीज सबको अच्छी लगती है.
Yes.
उससे प्यार हो गया.
बात वो तो सही है. But everyone not same, sir. Everyone not same. Everyone not same. My father is love married. Yes.
And my
But he is success.
my father
He
is
is
married.
Yes.
So they are not happy.
Yes.
Give me.
Yes.
My father is also arranged marriage and ancestor, so they are not happy.
We are happy.
They are happy. So that is why I'm saying that you should arrange marriage.
Money is not important. You said that money is not important in life.
Firstly, listen what I'm saying.
Yes.
Money is important. When you have money, then a one girl will love you. If you have no money, a single girl will not love you. Sir. Listen, understand.
ऐसा नहीं है प्रोसेस आती है ना.
प्यार मोहब्बत पहले निकल जाता है.
प्रोसेस आती है मोहब्बत धीरे से निकल जाती है.
Yeah.
But everyone not same, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone not same. If you say that all body Hitlers, then you all. How can I say?
From your mouth, bro.
Okay, Bhagwan, sit down. This is equal fight, but regular for Mr. Mudira. I don't see a fight.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good
Afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, my name is Faraj, and today is debate love marriage versus arranged marriage. So I am supporting love marriage is good. So my first opinion is strong emotional bond. Like if you will do love marriage, so she know what about you. Love. You give emotion. She will know very much about you. Like in arranged marriage, if you want to become doctor, you are girl, so your sass will say, I don't want to become you doctor.
Oh, yes.
Become you doctor, because she will say make roti and give me dal chawal, this thing. But if you will do love marriage, so you have one support, very good partner, so he will say I will make you doctor. So it was equality each other. It was.
Fine. Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
Other people.
So you are saying that
He was strong
connection. So if the love marriage is good, why the 95% of divorce cases happen in love marriage?
People, 15% people, they are doing love marriage because they know very well about that, because they don't need to dowry system, because
Yes, tell.
yes, we will, like you are girl, if you will do love marriage, so you don't need to give dowry system. Yes, here is your advantage.
But now her question is different. You are talking
Sir, she
differently.
has a question.
If your family seem to going, if your family seem to going, your wife, he has not.
Listen.
See your wife and who your family see only your wife face, not its
Not
heart,
see his heart,
his
kindness.
heart nature. In love marriage,
Our-
not matter your face is good.
Yes, good.
Yes.
We see that our
But after 1 year or 60 months, 6 months, they fight. They fight for the dowry. Their parents say their parents got the daughter-in-law. Yeah, you can. लव मैरिज में जो डॉरी सिस्टम होता है वो होता ही नहीं है.
So she is saying that, ma'am, after 1 year, mother-in-law reject
मैंने बोला कि आफ्टर 1 year or 6 months, the mother-in-law told the daughter-in-law that you didn't give us dowry. They give her torture.
Yes.
They torture her. No,
I can speak.
this is manners. You don't have manners.
Yeah, I don't have manners because that is why you want minus. You don't have manners. Who person support arranged marriage because he loves dowry, he loves dahej, he loves he needs I will get arranged marriage, मुझे मिलेगी, I will get bullet, but we car, yeah, I will get car.
In arranged marriage already demand.
Yeah, in arranged marriage already demand. I want car, I want bullet, I want पीतल के भगोने. And in love marriage we need only respect. In love marriage we need only respect. We need only love from our partner. We need equality.
It's not love, it's just an attraction. If she is not, I can say this. I have seen, bro. Let me speak.
How can you say this?
Let me speak. Okay, so listen. If the boy or the girl is not beautiful, why they fall in love?
Sometimes Leila or Majnu, not a same, not equal.
No, it's not. But
Leila is rich but not good looking good, and Majnu is looking good but not rich. And other example, you know Shahrukh Khan and Gauri Khan. Gauri Khan is not good, but Shahrukh Khan is good, and he is rich. No, she is rich but not pretty. Yeah, money is looking pretty.
she is not pretty.
Yeah. And
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
very good afternoon, my dear brother. Yes.
The debate is love marriage versus arranged marriage. In arranged marriage, as family support, family support is very good support. And wait, point to this. And there is background. We should see background. And family family support. Family support. In arranged marriage, family support is very much and very don't fear. Don't feel fear. And very धांसू support. और धांसू क्या बोलूँगा? धांसू. You don't know. Super support.
Super support.
Yes.
In arranged marriage.
ऊपर से भी ऊपर. जल्दी.
Yes, listen. He is saying.
Don't only super से भी ऊपर.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah. And first of all, we should know about his background when we should choose girls. If we will choose just like that, so in our house, in our house,
Domestic fight.
society.
In our society has very insult.
Yes.
And lifestyle, and we should make the lifestyle. His lifestyle, if his lifestyle is not
No discussion.
good, so we should not choose
Yes.
his lifestyle. If his lifestyle, so we should not choose.
Done.
Done.
Okay, who will ask question?
He says that super support. I think you living in narrow life, in narrow-minded people, and you don't know if you are in arranged marriage. Then family say that how many dahej you give me. If you not dahej, then my wife, then her wife is tortured that why your family not give me dahej. So if arranged marriage, then people listen. If arranged marriage, then people tortured you. Wow, he is not giving a dahej. He is not giving a har. If you're not giving a har, then he is saying that, oh, your family is not good, and you are mine. Sir, बुराई करने क्या कहेंगे? बुराई करने को? Your family backbite is your wife. Why is your wife backbite? If you are arranged marriage, then why your wife backbite? And if
any person is not giving dowry system, so you should say, you can say this from that person that I didn't want to do your marriage from you. If you think that they are not,
Speak loud.
any person is not giving you dowry system, so you can say,
Dowry system is a gift.
yeah, dowry system is gift.
what?
It is gift. अपनी लड़की को देते हैं gift.
Father is giving to daughter. Okay, I can say gift.
और that is gift to our girls.
Listen. My partner saying that.
Yes.
Fathers give our
Okay, why your father gift after married gift? You don't get married, and any father give you gift. Any father give you gift after marriage. Without married, any father gift you car. Without married,
First of all, father's dreams. My daughter is married to lot of gifts.
Okay.
It means you are not dowry system. You are not ritual in ritual. The father's dream. My daughter is married, live happy life, and
उसके बाद नहीं
okay. शादी की परंपरा निभाने तो ध्यान नहीं देंगे उसको तो dowry system is ritual. You have not.
तुम्हें बताना डेट अच्छा है.
And father's dream, I will give you my daughter gift, cooler, fridge, washing machine, many of things. But why no dreams? Property separate. Why don't give any father property half son, half daughter? Why don't give? Why don't you? Clap for it.
1 minute.
Why don't you property half? You give property half your daughter, half your son. Then
प्रॉपर्टी ले लो तो दे
क्या बोलते हैं, खत्म हो जाएगा ये रिवाज. This will be equality and
He property. He is not.
every father's dreams. My property divided equality my daughter and son, and this dowry system is finished. And some poor people
पता चला.
listen carefully. Some poor people die because of dowry system. And I think, listen carefully. I can't finish now this time.
Yes.
You listen carefully. Yeah, I am very angry because of some fathers are die and some brothers are lot of कर्जा ले लेते हैं. सर क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Debt.
Can I speak?
No.
Some brothers.
I will speak. Sit down.
Why you will speak?
It's not marriage, sir.
I will speak. I'm complete, sir.
Some parents are suicide because of dowry system, and sometimes new generation realize dowry system is not good, and he can't explain parents कि dowry system मत लो, इसलिए वो भाग के शादी कर लेते हैं. Yeah, okay, done.
खत्म. Okay, fine, sir.
No, sir.
You are not take a dowry, but you want to take a plot. You are not greedy.
Blood?
You plot. He is saying that.
No,
Listen, firstly, listen, sir. You are saying that not give the dowry. You should give the half plot. Half property. You don't want to take dowry, but you want to take the plot.
No, I
You are
don't
not
want.
greedy. You are
because of girl future.
So this is also giving.
I can divorce.
Listen,
मैंने उसको डिवोर्स दे दिया, उसके पास
So why you do love marriage when you divorce her? It is the attraction, not the love.
no.
It is the attraction.
This is the only thing.
Stand up. It is the attraction, not love. If you divorce
How
her
can you say
later,
this? How can you
okay,
say this?
let me complete.
Okay.
If you divorce her later, so what's the purpose of doing love marriage?
I'm not
It is-
saying for divorce.
You say.
I
You guys.
I speak only suppose. Only suppose.
listen, sir, listen.
Sometimes okay, not divorce. Sometimes husband is die.
So that is why they are
He
giving.
is not any property.
Listen,
Then
sir.
what to do? What are you
Listen,
doing?
my dear sir, listen. You are saying this husband
Why
died.
are you speaking
Listen.
You speak front of me.
You are doing love marriage, that is why you feel shy. Listen, firstly, listen.
Okay.
If the love marriage is everything, so why our parents not do love marriage?
Because he wants dowry. Because he wants dowry.
And also, he is
And
saying
I am new generation. I can't support dowry system, but I cannot explain my parents.
Can I speak?
They are older minded.
Can I speak, sir?
And his dream, my son marries and I want car.
Listen, sir. I have answer.
No, khalas.
I have.
So you have shared opinion?
Yes, shared.
Now take mic.
Good luck.
Just clap for me, Shubhi.
जैसे जो स्टार्टिंग से पहले तो लव मैरिज जो होती थी, जैसे लॉर्ड कृष्णा, लॉर्ड राम, इन्होंने लव मैरिज की है, लव मैरिज की है, बट डॉरी सिस्टम के लिए यहाँ मतलब कि जो समाज को क्या बोलते हैं,
हिंदी वाले
पीपल मतलब समाज ने बना दिया डॉरी सिस्टम के लिए कि अरेंज मैरिज करें, सिर्फ डॉरी सिस्टम के लिए, सिर्फ डॉरी सिस्टम के लिए अरेंज मैरिज मतलब बना दिया, वरना पहले तो लव मैरिज ही सब लोग करते थे।
Yes, Priyansh.
आपके पापा मान लीजिए दहेज के ऊपर शादी कर रहे हैं, आपको लड़की पसंद नहीं है, काली लड़की हो तो करेंगे शादी?
Love marriage.
लव मैरिज में पहले से लड़के और लड़की बात करते रहेंगे तो अपने आपस में कर लेंगे।
आपस में कर लेंगे। Sir, 1 minute.
Color doesn't matter, okay? अभिषेक हाँ? हिंदी में रंग रूप मैटर नहीं करता है प्यार में। अब देखो तुम लोग कह रहे हो अरेंज मैरिज में भी प्यार होता है। प्यार जो तुम्हारे माँ बाप तुम्हारे लिए देखेंगे वो अच्छा ही देखेंगे, वो बुरा थोड़ी ना देखेंगे।
क्या पता आपको पिता को सिर्फ पैसा ही चाहिए?
मेरे पिता को पैसा नहीं चाहिए, अब आपके पिता को चाहिए तो हमें नहीं
हम तो
पता।
लव मैरिज है, हमको हमारे पिता की क्या जरूरत है? हमें पैसा कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
We are not so, देखो dowry system is not about the dowry he give, okay? So dowry system is a gift for his daughter.
हिंदी
dowry system जो दहेज होता है, जो दहेज अबे सुना तो
बोला
जो दहेज होता है वो पिता अपनी बेटी को एज अ गिफ्ट देता है।
हम लड़के की बात कर रहे हैं अभी, लड़की की बात नहीं हो रही, हम लड़के की बात कर रहे हैं। चलो मान लो 1 मिनट, आपको लड़का पसंद नहीं है, ठीक, वो पैसा नहीं कमाता है, लड़का आपके एज का नहीं है, तो क्या आप शादी कर लेंगे अरेंज मैरिज?
घर जमाई।
घर जमाई